So the next step was to do the exercises in this section, the work page button. I can just push the work page button. And here we can see that the teacher has uploaded a few documents for us, a few exercises. This looks like a type of a cut and paste exercise. We can now print this out or maybe do directly on the computer. So we also have a story that the teacher wants us to read. And then we can go on to the next section. I believe the teacher wanted us to listen to an audio track. So I just click on this audio button. And this takes me directly to this song that the teacher wants us to listen, the body song. So I can just click on this and press play. Okay. And then I remember that the teacher had some extra activities for us as well. So I can just click on this extra button and then click on the flashcards and poster games. So again, the teacher has given us some instructions how to play this game, and the teacher has included this noun class poster as well. This is all from the Abuti syllabus that you can access online. So just send us an email if you want more details about the syllabus. And I think that was it. So the next step was to hand in the assignment. So I just click on this orange button, and here it tells you that you can upload your homework and write your teacher a message. All right, so I'm going to say, "Hi teacher, here is my homework. And my name is Tian." All right. I can attach maybe a photo of the homework that I've done, or maybe the document that I've done on the computer. And then I'm just going to send the message. All right. So I send this message to my teacher. Message was successfully sent. And now the teacher can see this message on their side. So if I go to the class section, you remember from the previous video that if you go into this class section, you can communicate with the students by pressing on this button. So this is the isiXhosa grade 1 class. And now you will see that I have a student because I've now joined my own class. So Tian has joined this class, and Tian has sent the teacher a message. "Hi teacher, here is my homework." Obviously, if I've now attached a document, I would be able to click on that document and download the homework from the student. And of course, the teacher can reply. So, "Thank you very much, Tian." So I then can attach maybe another document, or I can just send a message. There we go. And now finally, if you go back to this section, my classes page, I'm just going to press this button to go back. You can now see that this class, the isiXhosa grade 1 class, has one message in the inbox. All right. So if I'm the student, I'm going to click on this, and I can now see the messages between me and the teacher. So there was my message that I sent, and now the teacher has replied, "Thank you very much." If there's something to download, there will be an attachment. So clear communication between the student and the teacher has been worked into this platform. So I hope this video was useful, and I hope this gets you up and running with online teaching as quickly as possible. If you have any doubts, you can email us at info@abutisyllabus.com.
The Abuti Syllabus Better World Project. No child gets left behind.